Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Ruslindayana with name 400,200,011 from the 4A Library Science Study Program. In this video, I will explain three types of text. This video was made to fulfill the mid-semester exam in the English for Librarian course. The three types of text that I want to describe are procedure text, report text, and narrative text. The first, procedure text. Procedure text is a text that presents the step of activities or various steps to do or produce something. Text organic structure. 1. Goals. The final purpose of doing the interaction. 2. Material. Ingredients, utensil, equipment to do the interaction. 3. Step. A set of interaction to achieve the final purpose. Example procedure text. How to make boba. Ingredients: 10 tablespoons tapioca flour, 1 pack of chocolate Nutri-Gel, 120 milliliters of hot water, brown sugar to taste, 250 milliliter white UHT milk. Utensil units: pot, spatula, plate, mug, drain filter, Teflon, spoon. Step. The first, combine the starch, Nutri-Gel, and stir until both ingredients are evenly distributed. After that, add hot water slowly while stir. 3. When the water is not too hot, knead the dough with your hands until it is smooth. Next, take a little dough to make small boba balls. Do it until it's all gone. 5. After that, sprinkle the bobas with a little flour so they don't stick to each other. 6. Then, boil the boba in boiling water. Wait until the boba floats one by one and let it rest for a while. 7. Remove and drain the boba that has floated and set aside. 8. Meanwhile, melt the brown sugar with Teflon by adding 50 milliliter water. 9. After the sugar is melted, add the dried boba. Stir until the brown sugar shrinks. Remove and drain. 10. Boba is ready to be served with milk and ice according to taste. Report text. Report text is a report in the form of the text which presents information about something as it is or actually from the result of systematic analysis or research. Structure text. First, general classification. Introduce the topic of the report. Tells what phenomenon under discussion is. Second, description. Tells the details of topics such as physical parts, qualities, habits, or behaviors. Example report text. Sunbeer. The sunbeer, Heralstos malayanus, is a small beer and even the smallest of the 8 types of bears in the world. The sunbear is a typical animal of Bengkulu province. In addition to its relatively small size, the sunbear's fur that to be short, smooth, but sunny and black. In general, his eyes are black or blue, with a relatively wider nose, but not as muzzle as other bears. The dwelling of this animal is in a primary forest or secondary forest that is commonly used as an agricultural area. Sun bears are common in trees with a height of 7 meters. Sun bears are omnivorous animals that can eat anything like fruit. Sun bears eat. These animals are protected as their numbers continue to decline due to their changed habitat. Narrative text is an essay or fairy tale containing a series of events arranged chronologically according to the order in which they occurred. The events that are told can really happen or just the author's imagination. Generic structure. First, orientation. Who was involved when and where was it happened. Second, complication. A problem arises and followed by other problems. Finally, resolution. Provide solution to the problem. The story of the deer and the crocodile. In a vast wilderness, there live various kinds of animals, one of which is a deer. This moose deer is famous for his intelligence. Besides being smart, he is also very friendly. All the animals in the forest are happy with the deer, and when they have problems, they will gladly help. One day, the deer walked to look for food, but because the sun was very hot, he stopped by to drink water by the river. Ah, the fresh water of this river! After drinking, the moose deer saw something interesting across the river. It was a fresh fruit tree, but unfortunately the river current is very fast. The moose deer are looking for a way to cross. Oof! If there was something that could get me to the other side. Suddenly, he saw some crocodiles who were sleeping on the bank of the river. Aha! I have an idea. I can take advantage of these crocodiles. The moose deer woke up one of the crocodiles. Hey, crocodile, wake up for a moment. Why did you wake me up? You want to be my meal? Calm down first. I woke you up to give good news to all of you. I brought a gift of fresh meat from the king. For that I must count your number. Line up along the river so I can easily count you. Really? Then I'll call me other friends. Then the crocodile called his friend. Meanwhile, the deer laughed a little. Hee. Hopefully, the crocodiles will be deceived by my trick. All the crocodiles gathered and began to line up along the river to form a brigade. Well, get ready, alligator. I'll count you guys. Yes, hurry up and start counting. We're hungry. The moose deer began to jump over the crocodiles. Back one by one, while pretending to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After counting the last crocodile, the deer jumped to the edge of the river. "Thank you, crocodiles. Thank you to you all can cross." After that, the deer immediately ran fast, leaving the crocodile. "Do not let us be deceived. You mean he made us a pedestrian bride?" The crocodile became annoyed because he felt caught by the deer. "Beware, you deer!" Meanwhile, the deer managed to get away from the crocodile, and now he is eating fresh fruit.